Welcome back to We Can Cook. Today we will be sharing a warm and delicious apple pie recipe. To begin, add 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour to a bowl, and to that, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add a half teaspoon of salt and whisk to combine. Now add half a cup of cold, unsalted butter, straight from the fridge. Break down the pieces of butter with your hands to mix with the rest of the dry ingredients until you reach a crumbly consistency. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ice water, and feel free to add more if your mixture is dry. Knead the dough to begin to form a ball. Make sure not to over-knead it so as not to melt the butter. Cover the dough with cling wrap and rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now to make the filling. Peel and thinly slice 5 apples. Add the apples to a bowl, and to that, add half a cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of flour. Also, add half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix using a spatula or a wooden spoon. Be careful not to break apart the apple slices. Rest the apples in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now for the pie crust. Well flour your surface and split your pie dough into 2. Wrap and place 1/2 in the fridge while you roll out the other. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough as big as your baking dish. Now place your roll dough onto your baking dish. Make sure to push the dough all the way to the edge. Now we roll out the other half of the dough the same way. Now we add the apple filling, juices and all, into the baking dish and cover with the other dough layer. Make sure to cinch the edges shut and fold them over. Now feel free to create a design for the edge of the pie. We created a zigzag pattern, but feel free to use the fork method or any other style you would like. Now, with a sharp paring knife, create a few incisions at the middle of the pie to allow steam to release during the baking process. Then brush the surface of the dough with an egg wash and top off with a dusting of sugar. Now bake in a 400-degree preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes, or until the pie crust is golden brown. Your apple pie is now ready. Enjoy with some vanilla ice cream on a chilly fall day. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you next time!